She's an absolute cat lover. You don't believe it. I'm in a room which is specially made for them where they eat, sleep, drink, and have the AC. Wow, 11 cats. I don't know another person who's taken so well of, who take care so well of the cats. Wow.
Thank you. They're not cats to me, they're my babies.
Okay, tell me their names.
This is Snowy, this is the father.
Okay.
There is Pixie, who is the mother of all of them.
Okay.
Right now, half of them are out. There is Casper, there is Coco, there is Sher Khan, there is Kishmish, there's Joker, there is Mugambo, there is Rambo, there's Rani, and there's Scooby.
And you remember all of them?
Yeah.
अच्छा तो हम देखने वाले कि एक छुपी हुई है वहाँ पे ये बताइए कि क्या है
ये कोको है, वो बहुत डरता है सबसे.
ज़रीन जब आप मतलब घर पे नहीं होती है do you have someone who takes care of them usually?
Yeah, I have this one person fixed who takes care of them, and most of the time my mom is also at home, and they're more attached to my mother, and the day they do not see my mother, they start crying and they feel depressed. They actually show their sadness. They'll sit in different corners and they'll make that sad face and all of that. So but I have a person who takes care of them 24 hours.
You know, we were discussing this article that was written about you earlier. वहाँ पे जो आपको अवार्ड मिला था for rescue a cat, the hero to animals award by PETA, उसका ही मजाक उड़ाया गया था. I'm sure that must have been a very hurtful thing also.
It is, and PETA is such a big organization and they're doing so much for animals. I'm sure they will not just give away an award to somebody. If they've given me such an honor, I'm sure it means something. But for this magazine and for this journalist, I don't think any of that matters. So I have no words for them. I really have no words for them.
When you when you sometimes are alone, do you think जैसे कहते हैं कि the dogs can help you in getting over depression when you talk to them? Are cats like that also? How do you interact?
I don't know. I think if they could have had the power to speak, they would have spoken and told everything. They actually know what they want. They can actually tell me what they want, and they can actually communicate. And when I am feeling low and all, Scooby, the youngest of all, he sleeps with me in my room. He'll actually come close to me and he'll kind of rub himself to me, and he will, as if he's trying to ask me, as to what's wrong with you and all of that. And they really communicate. If they want to come out of this place, they'll come here, they'll scream, so I'll get them out.
Zareen, you will never date a guy who doesn't like animals, will you?
No, never.
Because if he asks you to choose कि मुझे बिल्लियाँ घर के बाहर चाहिए तो वो ऑप्शन ही नहीं है obviously.
Not at all. I mean, चलो बिल्लियाँ घर के बाहर चाहिए, ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए, but somebody who doesn't like animals is not going to do. No.
लड़ाई कर रहे हैं दोनों.
No. He's your son, maybe.
लड़ाई कर रही है. Or do they fight for attention? वैसे like kids also.
They fight for not my attention. The ratio of female cats is lesser in my house, so they fight for the female cat's attention.
Oh, yeah? Like all men.
Yeah, they're like 7 male cats and 4 female cats, so they fight for their attention.
Also, do you also think the industry or anybody else, all the people around you have also put a lot of extra pressure on you because of the fact that you were supported and heavily backed by Salman? Yeah. Do you like if there are people who don't come in the radar for like a year, they probably might not be asked the number of questions that you were asked because you were launched by Salman Khan.
Yeah.
Do you think that is how it is also?
Maybe, I think so, and I had all the more pressure because first of all the whole comparisons and all of that, and that comparisons also I think was somewhere media created, because even before my pictures or anything could come out in the press, the news was out that this girl looks like so and so. So I would say our audiences, our Indian audiences are very convenient. Like whatever you feed them, they live with it. They do not like want to see or make an opinion. And they were not even given that chance. So I think because of one of that reasons was the pressure, and secondly, Salman is a big name, and anybody who gets associated with that name has to be questioned and all of that. So it's okay, all part and parcel of life.
I like the way you take things with a stride. Do you sometimes go to Salman when you have confusions in your mind regarding anything?
Salman is a very busy man, so rather than going to him, I have him on my phone. So I try my best not to harrow him for petty things, but there is something really serious and there's no way out, then I would actually seek his help.
Yeah. You wouldn't do ever a reality show or anything, no? Like, I mean, like, I'm sure you've been asked this question. Like Salman doing Big Boss. Would you ever do it? Like, you know, if you were curious about it, would that be your space?
Being in the house right now, no, but I would love to host it. I mean, it looks a lot of fun, and the way he hosts it is like I actually look forward to it. So I think, yeah, I would love to host it, but right now not be a part of the house.
Salman, if Salman's looking for a co-host here, isn't it?
I actually told him also, please मुझे एक बार ज़रा मुझे घर में मुझे लेके जाना, मुझे देखना है. He's like, you want to be a part of that? No, I just want to see and come back.
He must have been like, चलो इसको घर के अंदर डालो, ये बोल रही है ऐसा. So you got out of it, but you just want to see how it is basically inside.
I just want to see and come back.
But knowing
stay there.
But knowing the kind of person, yeah, I'm sure you will. Even if people tell you anything, you'll like calmly take everything, isn't
And that will irritate them.
You know, Zareen, when you talk about relationships, like we were discussing the fact, like I said before, I don't think you get the time to date or even probably go out so much, but because you have like 11 cats to take care of. But in that space, are you still exploring? Are you planning to settle down?
Settle down, no. I mean, that kind of gives me the jitters. But yeah, exploring, why not? I mean, as I said, you know, life is full of experiences and you should experience every bit of it. So why not?
But for the moment, I mean, technically you're not dating somebody or all. You're single, right?
I think I will keep that as a secret.
She hasn't said no.
I haven't said yes either.
I'm sure I have a lot more questions, but since we are short on time as well, I'm going to end this interview by asking you one thing that you still feel, has been a little unfair to you from this industry.
I think I have not been given my fair chance. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, that sums it up. I think she definitely needs another fair chance, and with her, the kind of great work that she's been doing outside and in her house, all the very best, Zareen. Thank you so much. Rudrani Chotraj with camera person Aditya. Zoom.